Hi, I'm Marius. I'm one of the founders of Cluvio, and today I'd like to give you a short demo of the product. Cluvio is organized around dashboards and reports. We're looking here at a sample dataset that contains all the airports in the world and all the flights in the US. A very useful feature of the dashboards is that they can be interactive, so I can easily change aggregation levels, time ranges, and apply custom filters. By changing the aggregation level and time period, I can easily drill into the details of a specific day. Let's now talk about the dashboard and report creation. The first step on your new account is connecting to a database. We currently support Postgres, MySQL, Redshift, and AWS Aurora. The connection can be secured via SSH tunnel and firewall rules. Let's now create a new dashboard with our first report. So this is our query editor. Let's start by typing in a simple query to quickly get some results. The SQL editor is very powerful in helping me to write the query with the syntax coloring, code completion, and formatting. In the bottom, we see the query results together with a set of recommended visualizations. I can just click a visualization, configure it, save it, and we have the first report on a dashboard. Let's create one more with the help of another useful tool available. On the left, we have what we call the almanac. It lets you select which data source you want to run the query against, and for a selected data source, it shows you the list of tables, columns, and column types. In addition, it suggests queries. Here we use the departure timestamp column from the flights table for a query that gives us a trend of number of flights by week. As you can see, when I haven't entered a query, the almanac automatically fills the SQL query and runs it. Here you can also see our grammar extension to SQL, where expressions within the curly brackets are translated into the final SQL for the selected data source. This allows to easily create parameterized reports for the interactive dashboards shown earlier. Cluvio supports lots of different kinds of visualizations like line charts, area charts, pie charts, tables, and so on. Let's save the current report as a bar chart and create another report. One of the useful visualizations for displaying location-based data is a map chart. We can, for example, easily map the most busy US airport hubs by joining the flights with airports like this, using the count of flights as size of the bubble on the map. Let's select the chart and save it. A truly unique feature of Cluvio is deep integration with the R language. Say, for instance, for this SQL query that shows sales by month, we would like to add a column that shows the running totals. This is something that would be a bit complicated to do in raw SQL, but it's very easy to do in R. Like the SQL editor, the R editor also supports code completion and syntax coloring. So by adding the custom R script, we can add another column to the results that shows the running totals. Now we have a nice table chart showing both the monthly sales and the running total, nicely formatted as monetary value. For every report, I can easily download the data via CSV and use it, for instance, in Excel. Dashboards can also easily be published and are then accessible by every user in my company. In the user section of the admin settings, I can manage my users and their roles. Users can either be viewers, which can only access dashboards and reports, analysts, which can create them, or admins that have access to billing and user management. We have the philosophy that as many people as possible in a company should have access to dashboards, which is why we do not charge for viewer users, only for analysts, so everyone can make use of the data. So that's it. Within a couple of minutes, we created a powerful, real-time interactive dashboard with Cluvio that can easily be shared with anyone in your company. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.